Episode 12. Painting the aluminium rims. The Fiero is ready to hit the streets, except two tires will not hold air. Not only that, the tires look old, really old, like Billy Idol old. Definitely unsafe. We put some diluted dish soap around the rims and discovered that they were leaking badly. You can see where the bubbles formed that there was no way in hell these were going to hold air. It was like, don't stand so close to me. We made a quick trip to the tire shop to get the tires removed from the rims. At first we thought we would just clean up the rims with some sandpaper so they would get a good seal. We noticed one of the rims was already painted black. At this point we were into this far enough that it was an easy decision to clean, prep, and paint the rims so they would all match, and what the hell, give the Fiero some scritty quality attitude. It took quite a while to smooth out the inner rim where the tire would need to seal. It was in dire straits. It also took quite a bit of effort to get the front and back of the rims clean. We felt like Drake trying to wash off Madonna's kiss. We got them good enough, and then proceeded to spray a couple of coats of self-etching primer on them. Then we sprayed some black satin finish spray paint on the rims. They looked as tight as Adamant's pants. You'll see we didn't coat them completely. We liked the unfinished look where the primer showed through. Originally, the Fiero came with P195 70R14 tires. We had a set of P195 75R14 tires which would be slightly taller. These were also winter tires that we had removed the studs from, but they were in excellent shape. We also took a minute and cleaned up the wheel hubs and put a thin coat of oil on them as they were frozen on and a pain to remove. Here's how the Fiero looks now, ready to rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher.